And we got the Hunter, and we're in Williams, Arizona. That's right, folks. Just south of the Grand Canyon by about 1 hour. And you got to come here. It's absolutely awesome. Great diners, great food, great steakhouses, all kinds of super cool shops. Williams, Arizona. It's the Route 66 right straight through the town. One of the coolest places you're ever going to see for a Route 66 area. And guess what? We got the video for you. You're going to love it. Let's go check it out. We got another great video for you today on how to have fun outdoors, your vacation idea channel. This time, Route 66, where? Williams, Arizona, one of our favorite spots on that entire US Highway 66. And boy, oh boy, you're gonna love this video, and this is a great idea for you next time you're out west. Definitely check out our Facebook, Instagram, our website, howtohavefunoutdoors.com. But today it's all about Route 66. It's one of the original highways in the United States numbered highway system. It was established back in 1926. Can you believe it, guys? 1926. It has an amazing story, and you're going to love this video and so many of our new channels. That's right, we have 6 channels now, including How to Have Fun 4x4, brand new channel. You're going to love that. How to Have Fun Hiking, another channel in addition to our cruising and camping and all of those channels. But here on How to Have Fun Outdoors, it's all about vacation ideas all over the world, guys, and we've got some great stuff coming up from international locations like India. But today, it's all about Route 66. And for those that don't know, this highway, which became one of the most famous roadways in the United States, ran from Chicago, Illinois, through Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, New Mexico, and Arizona before terminating in Santa Monica and Los Angeles County there. So pretty amazing. It's a total of 2,448 miles long, which is almost 4,000 kilometers. And it's recognized for that popular culture of both the 40s and get your kicks on Route 66 and all the Route 66 television series that they aired from 1960 to 64. But it's also been featured lately in, like Cars from the Disney Pixar animated film back in 2006. But it's just a super famous highway, and there's all kinds of cool little shops that you are going to absolutely enjoy. And what we're going to do is sit back, play a little music, and walk around town. You're going to love it. Definitely hit the subscribe button. It would mean so much to us. But this is also the gateway to the Grand Canyon. You're not too far from the Grand Canyon. Williams is the last town on Historic 66 to be bypassed by Interstate 40 back in 1984. And so this is the one stretch you're going to love to see, and it's just like it was years ago with all the little shops and souvenir places. But let's play some music, sit back, and see what you think of this Route 66 amazing town. Hey, look at Alice.
Ready for Williams.
Look at that. You got your KOA outfit. You're looking pretty awesome, buddy.
Wow, so cool.
You ready, buddy?
Yes, I am.
Let's do it. Well, Williams Downtown District is preserved stretch of Route 66. It has the vintage motels, neon signs, diners, gift shops, and all kinds of cool legacy things from way back when. But how about this diner? Take a look at this. It's like in a time capsule. We just had an amazing time here. Great breakfast. But there's so many places like this we're going to show you. It's just so fun, if you will, and to relive the memories of what it was like back in the old days going down Route 66.
This is good. Very good. Oh.
talking to you. Pappy here's got some wisdom for you. Maybe we can work out a deal.
Hey, Lice, it matches your shirt, huh?
Yes,
Look at that. Take a look.
It's my place.
It matches your shirt. Look at the colors. Come here. Look at that, folks. That is all by design, right, Lice?
Absolutely.
Even the hat. Even the hat. Look at the hat. Oh, wow. Same. How you feeling?
At home.
Yeah?
Yes.
All right. Very good.
Hello, sir. How are you doing today?
Hey, what's going on?
Hey, that's my friend. What's going on? Hey! What? No, no.
The souvenir shops were really amazing. I mean, they had all of the 66 memorabilia, but they also had a lot of Indian cowboy stuff. Really cool, and lots of art, pottery, you name it. So if you're looking to decorate your house with some out west stuff, this is definitely the town. Plenty of shops to pick from, and they had virtually everything there. It was pretty awesome. All right, so this one's for Pete and Janine back home in New Hampshire. Take a look.
Yeah! Pete! I'm kind of disappointed. I came all the way here to visit you at your gas station and you are nowhere to be found.
There it is,
What's
Pete's
going
Gas
on?
Station Museum here in Williams, Arizona. So Route 66 underwent many improvements over the years, but it was officially removed from the United States highway system back in 1985. And after it was entirely replaced by segments of the interstate highway system that you know today. But there are some little spots like this, and also areas in Illinois, Missouri, and Oklahoma, and New Mexico that have been designated National Scenic Byways, historic Route 66. So trying to find these little towns is always a little tricky, and some of them haven't kept it up like Williams. So if you want that real Route 66 feeling, this is definitely the place to go. Better than any of the other places that we've been to. We really enjoyed this a lot. And overall, I gotta say, we were impressed. I mean, the people were super friendly, the town was great, and as you can see, you totally got that vibe. The neon signs are everywhere, and this is famous for Route 66, and notable the signs including the Rod Steakhouse and the Route 66 Inn. Those were spectacular. But overall, let's get back to the video and hear some more. All right, I think I'm gonna get some cigarettes.
Well, sir, I need to see your ID, please.
What?
Yeah. Are you over 21?
Are you?
Just a little bit.
Go! Woo! Number one!
Number one, it's a...
I'm scared.
Oh my gosh.
I gotta do.
Wine tasting.
Yeah, the Arizona wine tasting.
Williams is also pretty special because this was one of the last stops before you went to the Grand Canyon. And that's how it got its nickname, Gateway to the Grand Canyon. So if you were coming from Chicago, from anywhere in the States, heading out west, you know, this was the last stop and you geared up for going into the Grand Canyon. Also, no question about it, the amount of candy shops in this little town has to set a record. I mean, they just had all kinds of great candy for kids and all kinds of fun souvenirs. So it's a great place to bring children, for sure.
Tommy, what are you doing?
Well, Just trying to get some taffy.
Leche.
We got a good mix.
Hey.
The town is also pretty special because it's got some old saloons dating back to the 1890s, and it's got all those classic motels like the Westerner Motel and the Red Garter. And I mean, they're just, you know, just the way they were way back when. So super cool if you can stay in this town before you head out on your route and enjoy it like we did. We had a great time.
Hey, what do you got there?
Tommy, this is the perfect shirt for you.
All right, there you go, folks. That one is nice. Look at that. I'll take it.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Alice, we're going to have to end this video soon. We ain't got any money left.
I know, it's dangerous this time.
What?
It's
You got
dangerous.
so much clothes, hats, cowboy stuff. Route 66, bring your wallet, folks, especially if you got somebody like Alice. Look at that hat with all the fancy jewels, all your jewelry. How you liking it here?
I love it. It's a great vibes. It's absolutely amazing.
Yeah, it's awesome.
So everybody go hiking with the boots. Like, come on.
The other great part of this town is you can walk down one side of it and then you walk down the other side of it. You get your exercise, but it is endless. I mean, you're always excited to see what's next. And to be honest, I've never seen anything like this place that we're going to here. And they had a little bit of everything. We actually bought a skunk hat. You're going to get to see that. I've never seen one before. But this was one of the coolest shops I've ever been to in any location that we've traveled to. It was super cool, and this is the gentleman right here that collected all this stuff, and it was pretty remarkable. So let's go take a look at his shop inside and get ready for the skunk hat.
Tommy, they're looking good. Hey, look at there, Leche. Skunk hat coming up. Hold it up.
I don't know if I can stay close to the
Wow, look at all the dollar bills.
Thank you for the skunk hat,
Hey,
sir.
how about that, huh?
Yes.
Skunk hat and American. We just got it.
Woo-hoo.
At least you're not going to be called Stinky, right?
That's right. Look at this. It's all the ladies. Every time.
What? That hat is dangerous. You're gonna steal my man. Oh, kill it, kill it, kill it.
So the town of Williams, Arizona is actually at an elevation of 6,770 feet, providing that kind of mild climate, if you will. And believe it or not, the population's only about 3,000. And this place, as you already know, is quite famous as that gateway of Grand Canyon National Park we talked about earlier. But it also has the Grand Canyon Railway and some other cool things around Williams that you can check out, including the Bearizona Wildlife Park, which has bears, mountain goats, bisons, birds of prey, all kinds of cool things. And there's campgrounds out this way also. Alice and I stayed at a campground. But, you know, the city of Williams is the little town with a big heart. That's what they say. And for sure, when you go, you're going to really enjoy it. There's so much to see and do in this area. And, you know, we highly recommend it for another great vacation idea.
The Great Gypsy, and I can see your fortune. Come see it too, no?
Hope you enjoyed this great video on the best of Route 66. That's right, Williams, Arizona is absolutely awesome. It's still got that great vibe, and there's nothing really like it. Where can you buy a real skunk hat? That's right, and all kinds of great stuff. We got souvenirs, great fudge, great taffy, great food. Had a wonderful breakfast, diner, lunch, brunch, and I tell you what, we hope you enjoyed it. Definitely hit that subscribe button. It would mean so much to us to get our channel out there. Hit that like button. And thanks so much for watching How to Have Fun